This is going to be the solution video for the second Discovery Lab. So to start off, we're going to have to download a zip file that's linked in the lab doc. Go ahead and download that. So you click on the link, and it'll take you to this file. Go ahead and download that. Next, go back into your IBM Cloud account, go to the dashboard and scroll down and find your Discovery instance. Click on Launch Tool. Then you're going to want to click on Create a Data Collection. Go ahead and just give it a name. And then click Create. And now we're going to go ahead and find the zip file that we downloaded earlier. You're going to go ahead and extract that. And then you're going to open up the data folder that was extracted, and then you should have a bunch of JSON files. So what you can do is you can press Control A, or Command A, depending on what computer you're using, to select all. And what you can do is you can drag all of these over to your Discovery window on this section that says drag files here, and then just copy those over. And so this will take a few minutes to complete. It's actually a large data set. It's about 1,400 files, so we're gonna let that finish. It should take about maybe 20 minutes, and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so now that the documents are done uploading, we can gain some insight from what we just uploaded. So in this first review window, in this first window here that you see, this is where some of the basic insight is shown. So let's take a look at this top entities panel here. So this will tell you what entities, specifically like cities, buildings, any proper nouns, what entities are most prevalent in the data set. So in this case, it looks like Chicago is the most mentioned entity, with New York and then San Francisco falling behind. Next, moving over, we have general sentiments. So this basically identifies how positive or negative a statement is, or a review. And so in this case, the entire data set is 79% positive and only 21% negative. So it's going to be mostly good reviews. And there are various other insights you can add to this page to customize it. Moving on, we're going to be building our own query now to gain our own insights based on a specific question. So let's go to the left side, click on this button here. It says Build Queries. And then we're going to select a collection. Let's select the one we just built. Just click Get Started. So we're going to go ahead and click on the middle button to include analysis of your results. We're going to leave this at top values, and then we're going to select City. So that's going to return all the cities, and then we're going to select the child aggregation. Click on top values, select average, and then click select field and select the enriched text .sentiment.document.score. This is going to give us the average sentiment of all the documents for each city, basically. So once we have that selected, we can click Run Query, and you'll see the results on the right side. You can see New York has average sentiment of about 4.36, Chicago about 3.69, and San Francisco about 2.99. And if you want to see even more detail, you can click on JSON. You can see exactly how the response object is structured if you need to parse this in your code. And that's it for uploading data and getting insights.